Scott, here is a screencast of my blog. As you can see, it's at spinningplates101.wordpress.com. This is the home page. There are all these other pages as well. So if we go back to the very beginning, I put up this picture, The Journey Begins. And then in January, this was my first blog post that we were asked to do just to create the blog site. And then I've been utilizing social media and learning about new digital resources as part of a business communications applications course. There's just another blog post explaining about my blog, and it tells people to see the list and links to the things that I've been learning under Things to Learn. Also another thing, just reminding people to go to other pages. And then we talked about doing video emails. So I made the post about how to do video emails also on the Things to Learn page, but I commented on it on the home page. February 23rd was my reflections on using Skype versus WebEx. Those were the two platforms that I chose to compare and contrast. I talked about my feelings on those. Feel free to pause at any point and read through these things. March the 2nd, we talked about using Screencast-O-Matic and Snagit. So I posted links to those videos. I did a learning to use Debut as well. We also did the QR scanner. And so I inserted this. This has the a link. This QR code will connect to the video. And then we did our Go Animate assignment. And at the bottom of this right here, it has a link to my Go Animate video. And in February, I don't know why this posted out of order. It was done back on February the 6th, but it was just talking about the fact that I hadn't published all of my other pages when I initially created the site, and I went back and published all those pages. Okay, so we go to Things to Do. And this was part of the very first assignment, and just about posting some pictures and things like that. And so I posted pictures of my family going to Disneyland. And then Things to See is another one of the image requirements. So this was another vacation that I took and talked about going to Mackinac Island. Under Things to Learn, I've posted February 23rd. I talked about the Gmail video capabilities, and then as part of another assignment, there's a links to the different sites. I used Pearltree, StumbleUpon, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and I attached links to all of them so that you could go straight to them. So if I click on that link for LinkedIn, you can view my full profile if you sign into LinkedIn, which I know you're connected to, so you'll be able to see my entire profile. But you can at least see from here that I do have one with where I work. Same with my Facebook page. And I did a walkthrough of this on one of the screencast assignments. So I talk about using those and the experiences I had with that. I also talked about Voice over Internet Protocol. I talked about our QR code generators. I did 2 different ones and sent links to both. And I made this QR code. If you scan it, it'll take you to the home page of my blog. Here are just things to eat. This is the company that my husband and I own. And this was another assignment that I had from another class on alternative teaching certificate, and I needed to post it, so I posted it on my blog. And then how to contact me. So there's my entire blog site. I believe it has all of the assignments that were required of me, and I don't know any other way to help you see it if you can't access it other than the fact that I just sent you an invitation from the blog site. Let's see if I can show you how I did that. I went into sharing. Let's see. No, I went into people. And then I went into followers. It says I don't have any followers yet because you haven't accepted my following invitation. Here are my invites, and it shows where I've sent it to your email, and it's pending. Okay, hopefully you'll get that invite, and then you can click on it and you can see all this for yourself and take whatever time you need to review it. Thanks.